Hello and welcome to today's video. So what I'm going to be teaching / showing you guys is how to apply liquid lipstick, and then as well as making a pout. Basically what that means is it's just going to give the illusion of making your lips bigger. So without further ado, let's get started. So I'm going to start off with taking Jeffree Star's Scorpio. This is a liquid lip. It dries down a matte. So yes, I'm just going to start off with just putting it on, and I will show you guys the process and how to make it look snatched. I like to start off with my bottom lip first, but what I'm just going to do is I always just kind of slather it. I always start from the outer corner. So I'm just going to follow my natural lip line right here, which is like right there. You guys can see it. Just like that. And then I'm just going to kind of put a little bit more because it's a little patchy. Not patchy, but I was running out of product. And then just fill in that little space. And I like to overline a little, so that's just what I'm going to do. Don't really override the sides, just kind of widen it once you get towards the bottom of the lip. See, just like that, it's a little bit bigger. Now for the top lip, I always start with my Cupid's bow, so just follow that little shape. X marks the spot. So once you have that done, just kind of follow that. Alright, so just like that, the lip is on. I want my Cupid's bow to be a little bit bigger, so that's what I'm going to do. Alright, and just like that, our lips look a little bit more fuller, a little bit bigger. But yeah, so that's how I applied liquid lipstick. So now we're just going to be moving on to the pout portion of it. So for that, this is a little bit of a purple plummy lip. So I'm just going to be taking Kat Von D's Studded Lipstick in 0. This is like a dove gray. It has it's gray but with like a little bit of a purple undertone. So perfect for this. So what I'm just going to do is I'm just going to focus this on the center of the bottom lip. I'm just going to tap that in. And then press. And tap that in there. So this isn't a super creamy lipstick. If you do have a super creamy lipstick, that'll work so much better. It'll blend right out. So as you can tell, it's already giving the illusion of kind of a fuller lip. You can tell it's all right there. So with that, it's just highlighting the center of that lip. So it's giving the illusion that it's kind of brought out more. And then the sides are darker. So it's like, you know, contrasting it. Obviously darker is making it look like a shadow. The lighter part is making it look like a highlight. Therefore giving you a pout. So I hope you guys had a good time watching this video. I hope you guys learned. I would love to see the looks that you've tried. I'd love to see you guys try this, maybe this eyeliner and this lip out, and then go ahead and tag MMA Troy or just kind of tag them in your picture. But yeah guys, until next time, bye.